do I got? Brayden, where are you going?
Good boy. Wow.
Good job. Are you eating a fry?
You can get up and walk to Daddy?
You can let him sit there.
Here, let's help you out. Because you want to stand up.
Okay, here, let's see.
Good boy. You walked all the way into the kitchen.
Good job.
Wow.
What are you doing?
You're silly. You're a silly boy.
All right, Brayden, say bye to everybody.
Say bye.